First, let's kick off this festive fun by designing and measuring your dazzling light display. Planning out your layout not only helps determine the number of lights required, but also lets you unleash your creativity to incorporate various enchanting styles. When using solar-powered lights for your home, make sure to charge them up and then perform a test run. Check all programmable options to ensure they're fully operational before starting the installation process. This ensures a smooth setup and avoids any surprises once they're in place. You don't want to feel like this guy. Following our lighting design, I opted to wall mount the solar panel. And here's the mounting hardware that came along with it. Attaching the solar panel is a breeze and it easily snaps into place. Begin by positioning the wall mount in your desired spot. Use a marker or pencil to mark the precise spots for drilling holes. Here are the screws and anchors that were included in the package for your installation convenience. For drilling, select a drill bit slightly smaller than your anchor to ensure a snug fit. Now, let's learn from our experience. A hammer drill is highly recommended when drilling into concrete. This would have definitely accelerated the installation process. I really need to add that to my Christmas list. Please, Santa. A helpful tip: attach blue tape to the drill bit at the depth needed for the anchor. This nifty trick ensures precision and makes the job easier. Gently press the anchors in by hand, and then utilize a hammer to lightly tap them in. Exercise caution, avoid hitting too forcefully as this might cause them to break. Given the small size of the screws, we recommend using a long nose Phillips screwdriver for hand tightening. This will ensure a secure fit without over tightening. Connect your strings to the solar panel, noting the unique shape and ensuring a proper fit. Snap it securely onto the mount for a hassle-free setup. This panel features a dusk to dawn sensor and serves as the focal point for programming with the remote control. It's your central hub for setting up the perfect lighting ambiance. When nailing into concrete, small sledgehammers are recommended, although our nail was slightly bent. Next, tidy up any extra wire by using a twist tie to neatly secure it and manage the excess. Here's a handy tip. When hooking the lights, use a light bulb strategy to maintain tension in the string lights as you progress. It helps keep them taut for a neater display. To add another nail halfway up, we stuck to our clever light bulb strategy and used yet another light bulb as our marker. It's all about those creative solutions. Since the nail was bending during our initial attempt, we tried a different approach by experimenting with a smaller hammer, hoping it might alleviate the issue. Unfortunately, despite our efforts, the nail continued to bend. Then we opted for the pre-drilling method. However, when we attempted to pre-drill the hole, the drill bit seemed to hit a barrier and we couldn't get it to penetrate any deeper. I strongly advise against attempting this project without using drill bits specifically designed for concrete. It can save a lot of hassle and ensure a smoother install. Feeling a bit frustrated due to the lack of proper tools, we decided to head out and purchase masonry bits, which made a significant difference. While the enhanced pre-drilling holes helped minimize the nail bending, I'd suggest exercising caution still when hammering them in, just to be safe. Luckily, we had more nails than we needed for our installation, and persistence pays off. As we reached the end of one light strand, I made a decision to have both strands meet at this point. It may not be the conventional approach, but it was the creative solution I envisioned for our home. By strategically positioning two nails close together but evenly spaced in the dark, it creates the illusion of one seamless, continuous strand. As we were completing the final few nails, we realized an additional nail was needed to prevent the lights from drooping. The company also included a stake for securing the solar panel into the ground. I absolutely love the subtle and minimalistic look of these lights during the day, which is why I've planned to keep these up year-round, to be able to switch up the colors for various holidays throughout the year. What's incredible is that I can embrace festivity without worrying about increasing my electric bill, all thanks to these amazing solar lights. Their eco-friendly nature is just fantastic. Here's to year-round celebrations without the additional cost. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see another video like this, you can click the card right up here or click here for an entire playlist. And I will see you in the next video.